Let's see if we can catch a fish in the most pressure spot in the city. It look ugly, but I know what it's gonna hit for. Oh shit, that's a good fish. There we go. Come on, baby. It ain't take long at all. Good blue cat. It's a good fish. Damn good fish. There we go. Oh, there it is. There it is. Get up here. Come on, fish. Come on, fish. He's trying to go behind the bar tile. Oh. Yes, sir. Oh, I'm about to bust my ass. Nice eater. Just get him back. Alright, bro. Alright. Yeah. Oh, look. Big takedown. Oh. Oh, shit. Let's go. Fish biting this evening. Fish biting. Get them up over the walkway, y'all. They biting on the Santee rig, and they're biting on the Carolina rig. Another good eater. Another 5-pounder. That's back to back. Get no better than that, baby. Let's go. Look at that. Look at that rod tuck, and you giving up. Oh shit. Good fish. This is how you catch fish in the most pressured spot in the city, baby. I'm telling you. That's how you do it. Draws and shit all on the bank. Got another 7 to 8 pound blue cat. So we have put 30 pounds of fish on the bank here in the last about hour and a half, 2 hours. Get out of here. I ain't keeping nothing in there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, shit. Yeah. Another blue. Good eater size blue. That's what I'm talking about. Holla at your boy. I'm going home. Hey, for real. Oh.